What? How did I lose? Wolf, wolf. You know what? I'm done playing games and watching TV and walking around. I'm gonna get a job. Wolf, wolf. Do police officers get paid much? Wolf, wolf. Okay, I'll do it. Wolf.
I don't like to dress as a police officer because then people will call me a police officer.
I want to be a police officer.
Okay, follow me.
Really? Is that easy? Alright, Lucky, now I'm a police officer. So there's gonna be a lot of different things happening. Woof, woof. Sure, you can be the police dog. Woof, woof. You want to wear the badge? Woof, woof. Follow me, Lucky. Woof, woof. Alright, we have the guy chasing after someone. Come on, Lucky, you stay here. I'm gonna go get that guy.
Alright, now put the money in the bag.
That was easy. Evidence! Wait, don't I need to arrest the guy?